Hello everyone, my name is Gael and you're watching my tech channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the VXR10 from the company Movo. Now this is somewhat of a shotgun microphone that I bought for myself, so not in contact with the company, not a sponsored post at all. I wanted to get one because I got this camera, which is the Sony ZV-1. It is a vlogging camera, very compact, that you can bring anywhere with you, except of course onboard microphone always sound bad, so I wanted to get a microphone for that, or maybe for my phone if I'm recording with my phone, except my new phone doesn't accept any jack inputs. Anyways, so the reason why I got the Movo VXR10 instead of the the Rode Go, I don't remember, but there's the main cardioid microphone recommended for people doing like vlogging or anything run and gunning is this Rode system. But I don't remember which YouTuber, I believe it was Noptop, that said that the VXR10 is actually a good alternative. I bought this for about 35 euros, so it's not on the cheap, but apparently it holds up to the Rode microphone, which is top of the line. Anyway, so today we're going to be taking a look at it. I'm going to be unboxing it, testing it, and giving you my quick thoughts about what I discover, basically. All right, so let me show you the packaging. Pretty cool packaging, like it. Everything is clean. It's held on together by this tape right here that I'm gonna grab. Boom. Oh, okay, I can already see what's included in there. Okay, so this is a pretty cool package altogether. Everything is already in there. So you have the microphone with the, I call it a dead cat. Well, a lot of people call it a dead cat, but basically there's a dead cat, a wind breaker, a wind screened thingy. Oh, am I not supposed to pull it like that? This is tighter than I expected. No funny jokes here. So this is the actual microphone. You can see Movo VXR10. Right here, you can see the little capsule here, so it's cardioid, but it's very directional. And right here you will find the little jack input. So let's check out all the accessories that come with it. So of course we have the wind breaker. I'm gonna put it like this. I can see a hot shoe with what seems to be a shock mount, basically. This is pretty hard for a shock mount. That doesn't seem like it would absorb anything really. There's another one just as hard. Doesn't seem to be a difference here. They're both cold shoe, sorry, because hot shoe would be with a connection. At the bottom you actually have 1/4 inch threads, so if you want to put that on a tripod, that is awesome. So two of those, okay, little mic stands, I gotta call them. TRRS for smartphone. That this end goes to the microphone and this end goes to the smartphone. As you can see, it has 3 little parts, so that means that it is compatible with your smartphone. So when you plug it in, your smartphone will recognize that this is not a headset, it's a microphone. All right, let's see what we have here. And then we have a normal jack. In this case, this is just stereo, so that will work with any other thing that doesn't use the TRRS compatibility system. So that's cool. Let me put that away. Little silica gel here, and then we have a little pouch to carry it. I never use those things ever, except for like one product. I think I use the pouch that comes with it. Oh, it looks like this is slightly damaged. If I were to use it with my computer, for example, I wouldn't need to use this TRRS cable because I only have one port on my computer that knows that, hey, this is the microphone port. So plugging this in should work. I like the cable length. I like this little thing here. So if you really have to stretch it, it can go quite wide. I feel weird doing this, but okay. Let's test it. This is what it would look like if it's connected, and I'm guessing this is not easy. Oh my god. Okay, so this is tight in there. It's really tight. Of course, it doesn't stand up on its own, but whatever. Let's find a way to actually plug this in. When it comes to the distance, since this is so short, I'm gonna use an extension and see what it gives. I'm happy I recently bought those without even knowing that I was gonna do this video, but okay, that's it. So you are now listening to the Movo VXR10 microphone. as you can hear, it's very, very sensitive to wind. So I'm really trying not to put it that close to my mouth because it saturates really fast. The capsule is pretty sensitive, I'm guessing. Another thing is that since you have to keep it kind of further from your mouth, it actually requires you to boost it up to 100. I have it at 100 right now on Windows, plus an additional 10% boost in the boosting in the levels, which is something that I never do with my microphones because they usually saturate. It doesn't sound so bad. It actually handles the noise pretty well, except for that little wind thing. So I'm guessing keeping the windbreaker is something that you really you need, even though you're not outside in the wind. Kind of weird, but okay. Okay, I gotta say, we get a little bit of a muffle sound, but this is not bad. Now at least I can just, you know, speak right into it with no issues. I don't know how I would go about, you know, if I'm filming a vlog. Obviously I'm not holding I could be holding the microphone like that, but preferably not. Preferably this is supposed to go, you know, with the cold shoe and everything. This is supposed to go on top of your camera. So how does it sound like this? How does it sound if I'm outside with the windscreen and everything? I will have to test at some point. Maybe tomorrow I'll go out and test it out. Let me know if you'd like to. Well, you would probably, yes, you would definitely like to know. But I guess subscribe, and if I ever post another follow-up video, I'll let you know what it sounds like. But for now, I actually really like the sound with the windscreen right now, with the dead cat. I think that's something that I would use even indoors right now. This is great. This is pretty great. Okay, so we're back to my normal setup. So the main advantages that they list here is small yet powerful, max noise reduction, universal compatibility, battery-free operation. They're right. Smart yet powerful, yes, it's very small, you know, compared to this big microphone that I'm using right now. It is pretty small. Max noise reduction, it is not picking up any noise whatsoever inside here, even though my fans are going off right now. Universal compatibility, it uses 3.5 millimeter jacks, and they give you the option of TRS or TRRS, so compatible with smartphones, compatible even with like a PlayStation controller, which is useless, but just to let you know that it is universally compatible right there, except it's not compatible with the new phones because they don't have any any jack plugs. And then battery-free operation, which is great, but I'm guessing any shotgun mic that requires like 48 volts or a battery to be put in it will have a way better quality than that. This is not a shotgun mic, okay? This is in fact a cardioid microphone. So the pickup pattern is like this, but this is not unidirectional the way you would think it would be, basically. I'm definitely gonna have to use it way more in order to give a final verdict. So far so good. I expected the quality to be a little bit better, especially for this price of 35 bucks. Knowing that there's a lot of lav mics that I own that are way cheaper and have better sound quality overall, pick up more of the higher frequencies, and there's more clarity to it. But again, I would really have to spend like a week recording with it, editing with it, and adding filters and seeing what it sounds like with those filters. Anyway, so that's it. I don't want to ramble too much. This is the VXR10. Does it sound better than the actual Rode microphone? I do not know. Hopefully I'll have the money to invest into that, and when that happens, I will definitely be making a comparison. I believe there are some comparisons, so definitely go and watch those videos. Look up for it, like VXR10 versus whatever the Rode is called, and basically you can judge by the sound of it if it's worth spending the extra dollars into that Rode mic, or sticking with the Movo if the Movo does its work. Anyways, still no outro for this channel. Watch my previous videos, my previous reviews. I intend on doing like way more reviews this year. Happy New Year, by the way. First video of the year on this channel, at least. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.